Hi, I'm Kwasi, and welcome to my tech space. Okay, so today is another episode of an unboxing. Now, before we do that, let's roll the intro. Okay, welcome back. And today we are going to unbox the FiFine T669 microphone. All right, let's check what is in this box here. Okay, let's open the box. Okay. All right. And you know what I always like to do? I like to take everything out of the box, then explain what is in here. But today, well, we do it a little bit different, right? Okay. In here is a pop filter in the box. And this is a clamp right here. Here, this is your boom amp or your scissor arm. Put this one here. Comes with an anti-vibration shock mount here. It comes with a Velcro strip here. Here is a foam filter. Then it comes with a tripod, a mini tripod, right? Tiny mini tripod. Remind me of DJI, you know what I'm saying? Tiny little tripod, yeah. Or your table stand. Okay, great. A USB cable, right? Okay. This one here is a USB A to a USB B printer cable. You know, a printer cable. Extra rubber strings and the microphone. All right. Okay. Let's get the box out of the way, out of the shot. All right. So now, before we come to this microphone here, okay. Let me start with here. Okay, great. So this is a pop filter. Nice. This is good. Dual layer pop filter. You know, with all the pop and all the sound, you know the when you speak, we'll cut it off. And then the clamp for the boom amp, right? Okay, so because I'm going to put everything together in there, you can have a look at it. Hold up. Have a look here. Now this, ooh, wow. Okay, so this is wow, this is a 2.5 meter USB A to USB B printer cable. I love that. Okay, build quality, nice, like yay, nice. Okay, so the microphone, right? The microphone has a gain knob here for the mic, yeah, to control the gain when you are recording. That is good. Fine. You know, some call it FiFine, some say fine. But this is the FiFine T669 microphone, right? Okay, so this is a kit here, and everything comes all inbuilt in the kit. Build quality is good, right? Yeah, it very good. You know, if I'll compare that to my Rode microphone, this is my professional recording Rode mic. Yeah, the build quality is really good. It's really good. Yeah. The sound quality, I don't know yet until I do a sound test. And then we'll be able to find out how this thing sound. If it sound, obviously it's not going to sound as great as the professional recording condenser mic. But hey, this one here, you get the kit with everything that comes in it. I mean, that's dope, because with the condenser mic, you know, have to use a preamp in order to use this microphone. Hey, this one here don't need a preamp. The entire kit here. So okay, great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together, right? And then we are going to do a sound test and then compare and see that, hey, if we are going to give this a go or we're not. All right, let's do the sound test now. Okay, so this is the very first sound test of the FiFine T669 microphone. I'm not using any FX. All I'm using here is just the pop filter and the sound recording straight from the mic. I'm using Cubase for this test here. All right. Hi, I'm Kwasi, and welcome to my tech space. Today, I'm doing a sound test of the FiFine T669 microphone. I'm only using a pop filter. I'm not using any FX, and I'm recording straight from the mic. Okay, so let's take it again from our top. Hi, I'm Kwasi, and welcome to my tech space. Today, I'm doing a test of the FiFine T669 microphone. I'm only using a pop filter. I'm not using any FX. So this is the sound straight from the mic. Okay, so this is the second sound test. This time, I'm not using a pop filter. Hi, I'm Kwasi, and welcome to my tech space. Today, I am doing a sound test for the FiFine T669 microphone. I am recording straight from the microphone, no sound effects. I'm just recording straight without a pop filter. Again, I'm using Cubase for this project. This is how it sounds. I'm doing another take. Hi, I'm Kwasi, and welcome to my tech space. Today, I'm doing a sound test of the FiFine T669 microphone. I am recording straight without a pop filter and no effects added to the sound. This is how it sounds. All right, people, y'all heard for yourself. It sounds good with the pop filter or without the pop filter. Look, I would say keep the pop filter on. It sounds very great. This is definitely a go. This one here is the whole kit that you get. You get a microphone, you get a pop filter, you have the scissor arm or the boom arm, and then you have the shock mount, you have the foam. This is definitely a go. The complete kit for a reasonable amount, it doesn't cost that much. And I'm very impressed about this microphone. I think, you know what, I'm gonna be using this mic, you know what I'm saying? From now on, y'all gonna be seeing in a couple of the episodes. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. Thank you for joining me today on Kwasi Tech Space and another episode of Gear Up Chale. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I put up a new episode. Thank you once again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. And that's it.